The summary section in Allsorter is a representation of an overview of the candidate. Candidates will often provide you with a summary of their most relevant experience or their work history to try and give the employer a full reflection of the type of candidate that they present themselves as. For some CVs, however, candidates don't actually present a summary of their work experience. And as a result of this, the system will pick up information potentially from the most recent job experience. So when you're using your Allsorter account and you come to the first section here of the reformat section, which is your summary, don't be alarmed by this piece of information. This is just the most closely related title to the information that's been populated, but this does not show on your exported template. So you don't need to worry about that. All you need to know is that this is your summary section, and then this information is either coming from the summary, which John Smith has provided here, or else it's coming from the most recent work experience, which will be in Accenture. So just so you know, to repeat that, either the summary section or the most recent work experience. Once you've brought this information across, as you can see, the bullet pointed information has been extracted. If there's no bullet points in the original candidate resume, they will not show here. However, you do have the option to bullet point all information through our auto bullet feature.